BESTBOARD Cork Bulletin Board, heavy-duty corkboard for homes or offices, 36x 48-inch, silver aluminum frame. Upgraded frame designed with covers to keep those ugly mounting screws hidden and out of sight. Looks great anywhere including homes, offices, classrooms, dorm rooms, and more. High-density cork holds your pins firmly in place so you can display pictures, notes, schedules, reminders, and more without worrying about pins falling out. 100% environmentally friendly cork from renewable sources. 36x 48-inch size is large enough to display what's important, yet compact enough to use in smaller rooms or spaces. Includes simple instructions and full hardware kit for vertical or horizontal wall mounting. Your satisfaction and happiness are our top priority, and that's why we go above and beyond to ship our Cork Bulletin boards in reinforced multi-layer padded boxes for maximum protection. In addition, with your purchase, you receive our lifetime satisfaction guarantee. Love it or your money back. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.